Welcome to the Unsung Heroes Celebration channel with Titus Ogba. This channel is dedicated to honoring and celebrating the unsung heroes of society, professionals, bodies and other organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also to show support and solidarity with victims of adversity, injustice, discrimination, racism, and hardship by amplifying their voices and share their stories. Last but not the least, to bring attention to important global observances, natural resources, promote reflection, and inspire positive change and action. We aim to showcase their activities and hard work, raise awareness about their vital roles, and celebrate the day or week set aside to acknowledge their achievements and the positive impact they make in society, nation building, and the world. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the celebration as we bring you the activities of the Interfaith Harmony and inspiring stories of beneficiaries. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more celebrations and the inspiring stories of beneficiaries. With love and gratitude. From my heart to yours. Titus Ogba. Now this solidarity. World Interfaith Harmony. Today is the fourth day of the Interfaith Harmony Week. Our theme: Building Bridges, the Power of Interfaith Harmony for a Stronger, Unified World. World Interfaith Harmony Week is an invitation for all people, regardless of their faith, to come together in solidarity, dialogue, and mutual respect. It is a celebration of the richness of the world's diverse religions, ideologies, and spiritual practices. This week is more than just an acknowledgement of our differences. It is an opportunity to reflect on the shared values that bind us together as human beings. Compassion, love, respect, and a desire for peace transcend religious boundaries, and by focusing on these universal principles, we can forge a future of harmony and unity. In a world that sometimes feels divided, interfaith dialogue and cooperation provide a critical path forward. These efforts are fundamental in building a more inclusive society, one where tolerance, mutual understanding, and respect for diversity can thrive. As we embrace interfaith harmony, we strengthen not only our communities but also our nations, creating a foundation for peace, stability, and collective growth. It is through shared dialogue and mutual respect that we can overcome prejudice and conflict, and promote the values of justice, peace, and unity for all. As we observe World Interfaith Harmony Week, we honor the role of religious and spiritual leaders, as well as ordinary individuals, who dedicate their lives to fostering peace and understanding. By learning from one another, we build a stronger, more cohesive society, and contribute to the creation of a future where interfaith respect and cooperation are not the exception, but the norm. The importance of interfaith dialogue in nation building, a story of unity and strength. In a small, multicultural town, a diverse group of people of various faiths, Muslims, Christians, Jews, Hindus, and Buddhists, decided to come together to form a community group aimed at promoting interfaith understanding. This group was founded with the belief that when different faiths unite for a common cause, they can contribute significantly to peace and nation building. The group held weekly meetings where individuals from different backgrounds shared their traditions, beliefs, and values, and collaborated on service projects aimed at helping local communities. At first, the differences between the various faiths seemed to create challenges. However, as time went on, the group found strength in their shared values of compassion and community service. Through interfaith discussions and joint efforts, they worked to bridge cultural gaps and fight prejudice. Their impact grew, and they began to influence the broader town, encouraging unity and mutual understanding. The group's work has now expanded to neighboring communities, where they have helped foster a model of peaceful coexistence and interfaith cooperation. This story highlights the vital role that interfaith dialogue plays in nation building. Through unity, respect, and cooperation, people from diverse religious backgrounds can come together to build societies based on shared values of compassion, respect, and peace. The strength of such communities is evident. When faiths unite for a common cause, they become a powerful force for positive change, strengthening the very fabric of a nation. Testimonies of transformation. How interfaith dialogue has changed lives. Here are 4 powerful testimonies from individuals whose lives have been impacted by interfaith efforts. Testimony 1. Amina, a Muslim woman who found common ground, as a Muslim woman. I used to feel isolated from others who didn't share my faith. However, when I joined an interfaith group, I discovered the common threads that link us all. I've learned to appreciate the beauty in other traditions, and this has helped me to grow spiritually. Our discussions have brought a sense of unity that I never thought possible. Today, I am part of a larger movement that seeks to promote peace and respect for all people, regardless of their faith. Testimony 2. Ethan, a Christian advocate for peace. I used to think that religious differences were something to be avoided, but through interfaith dialogue, I've come to understand that embracing these differences is the key to building peace. I've learned to see the humanity in others, and to appreciate that our values often align more than we realize. This experience has transformed the way I view the world, and I now work with others to create interfaith programs that teach tolerance and unity. Testimony 3. Rachel, a Jewish woman working toward harmony. Growing up in a community where our faith was often misunderstood, I felt a sense of frustration. However, when I became involved in interfaith work, I saw firsthand how our common goals, peace, justice, and kindness, are shared across religions. This has deepened my faith, while also allowing me to embrace others with open arms. Through interfaith cooperation, I feel that I'm contributing to a better world for my children and generations to come. Testimony 4. Raj, a Hindu community leader. I've been actively involved in interfaith programs for years, and I've seen how powerful it is when people come together across religious lines. Through these efforts, I've witnessed firsthand how interfaith harmony helps break down barriers of ignorance and suspicion. I've formed deep, lasting friendships with people of all faiths, and together, we've been able to create a positive impact in our community. Interfaith dialogue isn't just about talking, it's about working together for a common cause. To those who have not yet engaged in interfaith dialogue, now is the time to build bridges. If you have not yet had the chance to engage in interfaith services or participate in conversations that foster understanding across faiths, now is the time to take action. Interfaith dialogue and cooperation are essential in today's world, where division and conflict often arise from misunderstanding and intolerance. Whether you are seeking personal growth, professional development, or simply a deeper connection with others, interfaith engagement can offer you invaluable lessons in empathy, respect, and unity. By participating in interfaith events, volunteering with local groups, or simply reaching out to learn more about different faith traditions, you can contribute to building a more peaceful and harmonious world. Together, we can create a future where differences are celebrated, and shared values form the foundation for a better, more unified world. Happy World Interfaith Harmony Week! Let's come together, beyond our differences, to celebrate the beauty of unity and understanding. May this week inspire deeper dialogue, empathy, and respect for every faith, fostering a peaceful world where harmony thrives. Let's raise our glasses, toast and celebrate the unsung heroes of the interfaith harmony. Now, to the unsung heroes, I hope you are proud to belong to the organization. To the younger generation aspiring to join them, I hope you are proud of their activities and their roles. Now, to the general public, you have seen it all. Don't hesitate to give them any support you can. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's episode of Solidarity. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. You will succeed.